In this class, we are going to create our very first agentic application as well as workflow in AI Agent Studio, that is with the help of Ask Oracle, that is by writing a simple natural language prompt. In our previous class, we had seen how we can navigate to AI Agent Studio instance that is right within our Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. So once you have navigated to AI Agent Studio, it will automatically land you into this page that is Ask Oracle. By default, Oracle will be selecting the application chip over here. Just see there is this X. You need to click on this. Now you will get an option that is either to go ahead with workflow, or you can just click on X and select application. Anytime you can close this and change the selections over here. First and the foremost thing is we will be creating a workflow that is with just the natural language prompt, and Oracle will create the entire workflow. It will add the node, each and everything in the fly, that is with just the natural language. Here is the prompt, that is I want to create a supplier code assistant workflow, that is to process the code from the multiple suppliers. Then I will instruct what nodes it has to add in the workflow. Basically, I want my workflow to extract and map the required attributes from each code document, create a draft requisition and submit it for approval. So this is the step-by-step sequence I am telling what I need in my workflow agent. Basically, a workflow consists of a sequence of nodes that is used for deterministic rule-based orchestration of tasks in which every step is pre-configured. Workflows are ideally for those scenarios where the compliance, repeatability, and governance are essential. Workflow will consist of the task which will represent a connected sequence of nodes. Each node within the workflow performs a specified function or the task, such as extracting the data, here in this case extracting the code, and mapping the required attributes from each document, and then creating the requisition, and so on and so forth. For this, they can use the LLM models, the approvals, whatever is required as per the instruction, whatever we write in the prompt, or if you are building from scratch, the nodes, whatever you add, based on that the workflow sequence will be configured. Let me copy this prompt and navigate to the AI Agent Studio. Just make sure in the Ask Oracle workflow chip is selected. Paste the prompt. We have to click on this send button. You will get a status over here saying thinking. Now it is changed to creating a workflow. Now Oracle will be analyzing our prompt, and behind the scene Oracle will be using their own AI models in order to generate the workflow. Workflow is nothing but it is basically the step-by-step actions which our AI agent has to perform, which is defined with the nodes or the LLM, multiple agents, RAG, workflow, and there are a bunch of nodes over here which will help us to achieve the requirement what you want to achieve using the workflow. Workflows are usually used when we are pretty much sure what should be the steps our agent will execute in order to achieve some task. Suppose if you are not sure what AI agent has to achieve, like it has to think, plan, then act, then we have to go for the agentic application, which we will see shortly. Now it is saying it has understood our requirement, and it is telling it will add a loop and other things over here, and it is asking us to confirm. I will tell yes. If you closely observe, it will modify, and it has added the loop over here, and also it has populated the details for creating the assistant, that is the workflow agent. Next, it is telling to do something else. You can have a look over here and we can tell yes, proceed. Similar like that, we have to click on yes whenever it is asking. Suppose if you want to modify, like if you are not agreeing with what Oracle is asking over here in the steps, then we can tell no, or we can ask it to modify. I will click yes, and it has successfully added everything. We are unable to see the notes. Looks like there is some glitch, so it is getting auto saved. Let's go back to our home page and come back. So our workflow agent name is supplier quotation assistant. Let me click on this home button, go to the workflows, and our assistant has been successfully created over here. Just click on this edit. So it has created the flow, just it is having some issues over here, what it has to write within the loop and all. So this you can sort out, but the boilerplate code you can create with the help of Ask Oracle, with the help of just the natural language. So like this, you can get your workflow created instantaneously using the prompts. Suppose if you see there is something missing, you can again initiate the chat and you can tell, I see that the connector from start to for loop is missing. Please add. If you just instruct the agent, it will just connect the node and it will add the edges. This is called as edge. You don't have to modify anything. With the help of just the prompt, it will modify and it will create the workflow for you. This is how you can quickly build the workflows in your AI Agent Studio. Now this was regarding the creation of workflow. Let me go back to the home. Just click on this. Anytime if you want to modify the workflow, you can just go to the workflow and click on edit. Suppose if you want to migrate from one instance to another, you can just export your AI agent like this. Click on this export, it will export the zip. Then you can import into another instance. Just click on this download and select this zip file. Similarly, if you want to build the workflow agent from scratch, you can just click on this add button and it will give you all the details how you have to get started with the workflow. Basically, you have to enter all the details like the agent details, LLM security, so on and so forth. Just click on the back button on the browser. So this was regarding the workflow agent, how we can create with the help of Ask Oracle just with the natural language prompt. Now let's assume you have a requirement in your project wherein you don't know the exact predefined steps which your agent has to follow. Rather, it has to think, analyze, act or plan. Then it has to take the actions. Like in the case of contract assistant agentic application, we will be using this to generate the new contract which will have auto-filled fields, and this assistant will be provided with the multiple contract templates. The app's basic thing should be it should review the contracts, perform the risk analysis, recommend the changes and route the contracts to final approval. Now basically we are saying it to have three distinct expertise which are called as sections in agentic application. So we'll dive deep into those concepts later, but you can consider like it will have a template management, legal validation section and the recommendation and routing. Three sections it will have. So this is the basic thing it should create. I will change the name to contract agentic application. Let me copy the prompt from here. Go to the AI Agent Studio, switch over to the AI Agent Studio home. Just make sure it is selected as application. Suppose it is not selected, then you can manually select like this. Copy paste the prompt and we have to click on this send button. You will see the status as thinking over here. Then it will change to the application is creating. Right now nothing has been filled over here. Just observe that it will analyze our prompt and it will come up with the step-by-step things like it will first check if there are any required workflow agents already present or it has to build a new thing. First it will analyze and it will tell all the things over here. I will just tell proceed and create the application. Suppose if you want to modify and if you don't agree with any of the things over here, you can just tell to modify the prompt and it will again analyze, think and modify the application. And then if you are satisfied with this answer, then you can tell proceed and create me the application. I'm straight away telling that proceed and create me the application, as this is just for learning purpose we are building. Now let me click on S for everything. I will not see what are the steps over here, but it will ask whether it will create this template management agent, so and so forth, and it is accordingly asking switch to the act mode. I will simply tell S. One more good thing about the 26C release is you can manually see whatever agent is adding over here or the Ask Oracle. That is, it will automatically add the title, subtitle, it will add the sections, the summary, the communication as per the prompt, whatever you have provided. Now, if you see, it has added three sections over here, that is for template management, legal validation, and there is this recommendation section and the routing as well. Accordingly, it will add the workflow agents. So workflow agents are the building block or the skeleton of the agentic applications. And it has automatically added the title over here and other things as per the prompt. So using this Ask Oracle, you can focus on your business requirement rather than thinking about how to build the code for AI agent or agentic application. So if you are satisfied with this, you can just click on play and you can publish if you are satisfied with the answer. Now your question would be how we can see what are these agents, how we can navigate to the same. If you see next to the home button, there is this one more button, multiple panels you can see over here like a Windows. Just click on this. From here, it will show you all the references, whatever we are having within this particular agentic application. First thing is it will list all the sections. We are having the document template, the actions, related apps, and the workflows it is trying to reuse. Basically, we have this contract advisor, negotiation issue. Again, contract advisor will be coming under the recommendation advisor, and then one for routing. So let's see what this routing advisor will do. that is the by contract draft negotiation analysis. Just click on this. So this is the agent what Oracle has built over here. It's a little complex, so nothing to worry. We will begin with basics, like we will go ahead and create the hello world workflow agent whose job is just to greet the user, and slowly you will learn how we can make use of the switch actions and other things. Suppose if you are coming from the 26B release background, then you would be very much comfortable working with all the nodes in workflow agent. Just agentic application will be a new thing for you. Suppose if you are a complete beginner, then nothing to worry. We will learn everything with the baby steps. Let's go back. Again, we'll click on this recents and we have to click on the contract management advisor app, this one. So this is going to open up our agentic application again. Now, in order to navigate back to the home page, you can click on this, or if you want to modify this with the help of Ask Oracle, just click on this icon over here, which says the brain and a human. Here again you can ask and you can modify if you feel something you need to modify. This is for the functional consultant. Suppose if you are a technical consultant, then you may not use this Ask Oracle section most of the time, because you would be champion in building the agentic applications and AI agents going forward. So like this, we can build the agentic applications and the workflow agents using AI Agent Studio with just the natural language, that is by using the inbuilt feature in AI Agent Studio, which is called as Ask Oracle.